healthy reasons to start eating pistachios every day. Pistachios are one of the oldest edible nuts and are commonly used all over the world. They are native to Asia, particularly in Iran and Iraq. Archaeological evidence states the association of pistachios and man as early as 6000 BC. Today, apart from Iran, Iraq, and Syria, pistachios are being produced in many countries such as the United States, Australia, Turkey, and China, among others. A pistachio tree takes about 10 to 12 years to produce the first crop. They are drupe, where the fruit has a large seed in the center. This seed is edible. The nuts of pistachio are not seasonal and are available all year long. Pistachios' health benefits: improves heart health. They are heart-friendly nuts. Regular pistachio consumption can decrease the levels of bad LDL cholesterol in the body. The antioxidants, phytosterols, and unsaturated fatty acids are great for promoting a healthy heart. They are rich in monounsaturated fatty acids that help reduce high blood pressure. It also contains phytosterols that reduces the absorption of dietary cholesterol from different foods, further keeping the heart healthy. Promotes weight management. Pistachios, with their lower calories, high protein, low saturated fat, and high unsaturated fats, are a perfect contender for ideal weight management. They are high on fiber that keeps you full for longer, further preventing overeating. The fiber present in them also helps in boosting your metabolism. Moreover, the monounsaturated fats present in pistachios are soluble in nature and hence help in preventing weight gain. A study showed that individuals who ate in-shell pistachios consumed 41% fewer calories than individuals who ate shelled pistachios. Prevents macular degeneration. Macular degeneration is an age-related eye disease which slowly reduces the eye vision, making adults unable to read and work properly. It makes them unable to recognize people as well. Free radicals attack the cells and damage them, resulting in macular degeneration. Lutein and zeaxanthin are two antioxidants that are found in pistachios which fight against these free radicals and destroy them, preventing the cells from damage and thus preventing macular degeneration. The high amount of vitamin E present in the pistachios helps in promoting eye health and also in improving your vision. It also contains carotenoids that protect the eyes from macular degeneration and cataract. Rich in antioxidants. Doctor tells us that pistachios have numerous antioxidants that help in protecting the body from oxidative stress and causing further damage. The presence of antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E safeguard the body from free radicals that cause damage in the body. The antioxidants help fight cell-damaging free radicals in the body that are responsible for causing premature aging. Promotes healthy gut. Pistachios contain high amounts of dietary fiber that helps in strengthening the digestive system. Various studies, including one that was conducted in the University of Florida, suggest that pistachios are good for the gut bacteria and further help in boosting good gut bacteria. Pistas are a great source of healthy fats, proteins, fiber and antioxidants that make them a great food for your gut. Boosts the immune system. Daily consume of pistachios can help in keeping your immunity levels up. It has high amounts of vitamin B6 which is vital for the immune system to function properly. It also contains antioxidants that may help keep infections at bay. This is done by boosting immunity. You can consume these wonder nuts every day. However, it is important to mix them with other nuts so that you don't end up adding lots of calories and fats to your day. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.